Do you ever feel like your joints are becoming stiffer than they used to be? Or your nails are splitting, your hair is becoming thinner, or your skin is just losing that natural bounce? Maybe your skin isn't healing like it used to, or your tendons just feel tight even after light activity. It's easy to say that these things are down to aging or stress, but there's one vital protein that might be quietly behind it all, and that's collagen. Hi, I'm Sonia Hollis, qualified nutritional therapist, and today we're going to be diving into the science behind collagen and whether supplements are worth the hype when it comes to your joints, tendons, skin, hair, and nails. We'll break down how collagen is made, what causes it to decline, and how you can naturally support it. I'll explain what the research really says about collagen supplements, what works, what doesn't, and what to watch for. Plus, we'll explore the key nutrients that helps your body build collagen, including the one that people miss, and that is vitamin C. But before we jump in, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss any more of our science-backed nutrition tips. So let's get started. Collagen is the most abundant structural protein in the body. So think of it like glue that holds everything together, from your tendons and ligaments to your skin, hair, nails, joints, and even blood vessels. There are different types of collagen, but the ones that you'll hear most about are type 1 and 3, which are found in skin, bones, hair, nails, and blood vessels, and type 2, which is found in cartilage and joints. Collagen gives your skin elasticity, cushions your joints, strengthens your nails, and supports the health of your connective tissues. And as we age, starting even in our mid 20s, collagen production starts to decline by about 1% each year. Add in sun exposure, stress, smoking, alcohol, poor diet, and hormonal changes like menopause, and this loss accelerates. That's why you might start to notice change like more visible wrinkles, joint discomfort, slower wound healing, and brittle nails as you get older. Your body can produce collagen, but only if it has the right building blocks. So we need amino acids, so especially glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Vitamin C, this is essential for collagen formation and stability. And zinc and copper, these are cofactors for enzymes in the collagen making process. Glycine, now in particular, is often low in modern diets because it's concentrated in skin, bones, and connective tissue, not in muscle meat. So that's one reason why bone broth and gelatin are popular because they are rich in glycine and collagen. Vitamin C is absolutely critical here because without it, your body can't properly assemble collagen. So, if you're taking a collagen supplement but not getting enough vitamin C, you're likely wasting your effort. Zinc and copper play more subtle but equally vital roles. They act as cofactors for the enzymes that help stabilize and cross link collagen fibers, which gives your tissue strength and structure. So, do collagen supplements actually work? This is the big question, and the answer isn't black and white. Evidence suggests that hydrolyzed collagen, also known as collagen peptides, may improve skin hydration, elasticity, and wrinkle depth, particularly in women over 35. So, for example, one double blind study showed significant improvements in skin elasticity after 8 weeks of daily supplementation, while two larger meta analyses from 2021 and 2023 confirmed measurable improvements in hydration and elasticity across more than 2,700 participants. Beyond skin, type 2 collagen may help to support joint health in osteoarthritis. While it doesn't rebuild cartilage, it may help to reduce joint pain and stiffness by modulating the inflammation. And one study found noticeable improvements in symptoms within just 4 weeks. There's also early research on benefits for wound healing and bone density, particularly in postmenopausal women, though more long term studies are needed to fully understand these effects. If you choose to supplement, make sure that you pick hydrolyzed collagen peptides. These are easier to absorb and are more bioavailable. Studies have shown that hydrolyzed collagen breaks down into smaller peptides with lower molecular weights, making them more efficiently absorbed through the gut. In fact, research has indicated that more than 60% of these peptides are absorbed in usable form, significantly increasing the levels of hydroxyproline in the blood, a key indicator of collagen uptake. So choose the right type for your goals. So remember type 1 and 3 for skin, hair, nails, and type 2 for joints. Look for third party testing to avoid contaminants like heavy metals or fillers, and take it with vitamin C and ideally with zinc or copper to support collagen synthesis. Also, remember that results are gradual and subtle. Improvements in skin elasticity may only be 5 to 7%. It's not a miracle, but measurable. And in many studies, collagen was combined with other nutrients like biotin or antioxidants, so it's hard to isolate the exact effect. Some people notice improvement in their skin, nails, or joint stiffness. Others may not feel any difference. And of course, our genetics, our diet, gut health, and how consistently you take it all matter too. So, can bone broth or diets replace supplements? Absolutely. We have bone broth, gelatin, slow cooked meat on the bone, fish skin, and organ meats. They all naturally supply collagen and glycine. These are traditional, nutrient rich ways to support your connective tissue, especially when combined with vitamin C rich foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, berries, and leafy greens. Now, vegan collagen supplements don't contain collagen itself. They provide the building blocks like glycine, proline, and vitamin C, which may help support your body's own collagen production. There's emerging innovation in bacteria derived and fermented collagen alternatives. Now, these lab engineered collagen like proteins use fermentation and recombinant technology to mimic animal collagen. And we are starting to see a few of these skincare and supplement companies promoting vegan products, which could offer a plant based option for those avoiding animal products. So, to summarize, collagen supports far more than just skin. It's critical for joints, tendons, hair, nails, and connective tissues. And while it naturally declines with age, the good news is there are things that you can do. So start early and stay consistent. It's easier to preserve collagen than to restore it. Eat collagen rich foods like bone broth, slow cooked meats, and fish skin. Include vitamin C, zinc, and copper in your diet or a supplement routine. And if supplementing, choose hydrolyzed collagen peptides and stick with it for at least 8 to 12 weeks. Protect your collagen. So wear sunscreen, avoid smoking, cut back on sugar, and prioritize sleep and strength training. Collagen supplements aren't a miracle, but they can be part of a smart, evidence based approach to aging well, especially when combined with good nutrition, low inflammation, and healthy habits. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos for more science backed nutrition tips. That's it. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye.